Hello everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will actually learn about how to delete the Facebook profile picture post. So first of all, you have to go into the Facebook, and in the Facebook, as you can see the profile icon along with the what's on your mind. You just have to tap on that and you would be inside your profile. So now you just have to tap on your profile and you will see these options. So we have to tap on see profile picture. Alright, so now as we can see the profile picture here, so you just have to tap on the triple dots which are on the top side. You would see the delete photo option, so you just have to tap on that and it will actually delete your photos. So just tap on the delete again, and this would actually delete your profile picture on your Facebook account. So I just have to refresh this, so I would tap on the profile again, tap on the profile here, and now you can see here I don't have any profile picture on my Facebook account. So this is how we can actually delete the profile picture. So in this tutorial we learn about how to delete the Facebook profile picture post. Okay, so if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.